everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to use cross filter in Salesforce reports. So first, we discuss why do we need to use filter in Salesforce reports. Filters in Salesforce report help you focus on a specific data you need. Instead of seeing all the data at once, you can use filters to narrow down the information to just what is relevant to you. This makes your reports more useful and easier to understand. For example, if you want to see sales data for a particular month or region, you can use filters to show only that information and saving time and helping you make better decisions. Now let's move ahead and discuss about what is cross filter in Salesforce reports. A cross filter in Salesforce report allows you to filter data based on a related records. This means you can include or exclude records in your report based on whether they have related records that met certain criteria. Now take a scenario. Here we need to display only those accounts that are not associated with cases. When you start creating a report, you need both object data to identify is this account associated with case or not. So let's understand the scenario, particularly on the Salesforce org. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning Edition. To create a report, we click on the app launcher and enter the reports in the search box and select the reports option. Our recent report page is open and here you can see lots of reports are already created. You can edit any of these report if you want, but here we want to create the new report, so we click on the new report button and our create report dialog box is open. Now click on the all categories option and here we select the accounts report type and then click on the start report option. Our new account report page is open. Now here we click on the filters option and then we click on the show me option, which is by default my account. But this time we want to select all accounts. So we click on the drop down arrow and click on the all accounts and select the apply button. And then click on the created date and we select the range as a all time and select the apply button. And now you can see all accounts which we are created on the account object is displayed here. Now, if you want to delete any of the unnecessary field, like this last activity is unnecessary field, so we click on the drop down arrow. Now click on the drop down arrow. Now click on the drop down arrow and here you can see there is a option remove column. Click on this remove column option and our column is removed successfully, which is unnecessary column. If you want to delete all the columns and start the report from the scratch, then you can click on the outlines and there is a column option. Click on the drop down arrow and here you can see after clicking on the drop down arrow, there is a remove all column option present. If you click on this remove all column option, all the columns are removed. But this time I did not remove all the column. Now as per our scenario, using the cross filter, we have to display only those accounts which does not contain any cases record. So for this, we again click on the filter option. For applying the filters, first we can see how much record we have. So we scroll down and we can see we have 13 records. And then you can see there is a drop down arrow on the left side. Click on it and add cross filter option is present under this list. So click on this add cross filter and the added filter dialog box is shown and we have show me account object. Then we have an option with or without and here but this time I choose without option and then in the secondary object we will see all related record means all the child records and here we have to click on the cases object and then we hit the apply button and now here you can see applied filter on the account report without cases. Now before applying the filter we have 13 records but this time we have only 4 records shown. This for record does not have any single case. Firstly, save and run the report. Our save report dialog box is open. Enter the report name, report unique name. If you want to enter the report description, then you can add, otherwise leave it as it is. And our this report is saved in the private reports folder, and then we click on the save button. Our report, new account report was saved, and here you can see total 4 records are shown, which is not related to the case. Now we copy any of the account name for cross checking, and then click on the account object, and here we enter the account name in the search box and hit enter. Now we paste the account name in the search box and hit enter, and here we go, account name is shown. Click on this, and when we scroll to the bottom, here you can see no cases are shown under this account. That means our filter has successfully added to the record. So with this, we have learned how to use cross filter in Salesforce report. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.